Evaluate 2 plus 2 times 3. Now, whenever you are evaluating a numerical expression and you have several operations going on, you use what's called the order of operations. And a way to remember the order of operations is a little rule called PEMDAS. So I'm going to write out PEMDAS off to the side. Now, PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents. Then you multiply, divide, left to right. Then you add, subtract, left to right. So what we're going to do is see if there's any parentheses. Well, there isn't, so I don't have to worry about the P in PEMDAS. Then you see if there's any exponents. Well, there isn't, so we don't have to worry about the E in PEMDAS. Now, this is multiply, divide, left to right. So what I need to do first is do 2 times 3 before anything else. 2 times 3 is 6. So now that I'm done that step, I'm going to write out the 2 plus in front of it. Now all I have is 2 plus 6. So to wrap this problem up, I did my multiply. I have just an addition problem. 2 plus 6 is 8. And that's my answer.